Everyone in Ottawa thinks the housing market is about to crash in 2026, but what if I told you the danger isn't crashing? It's waiting too long. Because right now, certain buyers are quietly positioning to win big, while most people freeze. Stay tuned because in this video, I'm revealing exactly who wins this year and how you can be one of them. Hey everyone, I'm Sernoskie and I make videos to help buyers and sellers just like you. I also happen to be a top producing real estate agent right here in Ottawa. Just take a look at my Google reviews to see the positive experiences that my clients have had working with me and my team. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in the market this year, you probably heard the whispers. Economic uncertainty is affecting things, but is the Ottawa real estate market really crashing in 2026? Spoiler alert, no it's not. In fact, it's stable and even poised for modest growth. Today, we're diving into the decision-making process when buying a home in Ottawa right now and who this market really favors. As an agent helping buyers and sellers navigate this, I've seen firsthand how the right strategy can make all the difference. So stick around and don't forget to download my free guide in the description to get started. Let's jump in. First off, we need to understand that the current conditions in Ottawa's market closed 2025 with a typical holiday slowdown. But overall for the year, it was up 1.3% in sales and up 4.1% in dollar volume compared to 2024. And we're seeing the dramatic drops some feared with average sales prices expected to finish the year up by 2%. Inventory is steady, giving buyers more choice without flooding the market. But this isn't a one-size-fits-all thing. The market favors certain buyers based on their situation, job security, property type, and whether you're a first-time buyer or you're moving up. If you're selling to buy, timing is going to be key. Key factor number one is job stability. In Ottawa, with our heavy reliance on public sector jobs, this matters big time. There's some uncertainty right now among certain parts of the public sector, which is something to keep in mind. And if your employment is secure, such as in tech or healthcare, you're probably in a good spot. Now, let's break down property types, the condo market versus detached homes. Ottawa's condo segment is oversupplied right now, especially among high-rise style apartments in the downtown core and the surrounding areas. Inventory is high in many of these spots, which is creating a buyer's market. Prices in this segment are soft, giving buyers more negotiation room. And if you're a first-time home buyer or investor, this is your chance. Lower entry points and potential for value growth, as rates are expected to continue stabilizing. If you're selling a condo, you might face longer days on the market or need to price aggressively. On the flip side, detached and semi-detached homes in family neighborhoods like Barrhaven are much more balanced, with a few months of inventory. Those hold value better and see steady demand. And there are very few bidding wars like there were in peak years, but prices are still expected to rise modestly this year. Townhomes in entry-level areas lean seller-friendly due to demand, but overall, buyers still have opportunities. If you're a seller planning to rent out your current place while moving up, or a buyer eyeing investment, know this. Ottawa's rents are softening slightly with a vacancy rate around 3%, and that's up from tighter times. We've got new builds in the pipeline, especially multifamily suburbs like Canada. Average rents for a two-bedroom are around $2,200 to $2,500 a month, but budget for potential dips if supply grows. But don't count on sky-high rental income like in 2022. Factor in 10 to 15% less if vacancies rise. And for buyers, turning to rentals amid high ownership costs, this means more options, but long-term owning beats renting in Ottawa's appreciating market. And I've helped clients make this decision, so reach out if you're debating to buy versus rent. Is now the right time to make a purchase in Ottawa? Well, winter 2026 means less competition, but serious sellers are motivated to sell, potentially saving you thousands. With prices expected to rise 2% this year, buying now locks in before activity picks up in the spring. Interest rates might not drop much more, so don't wait forever. And if you wait too long, you might miss out. Real estate here outpaces inflation over the long run. And for first-time homebuyers, this is your window. With 50% more listings than in tighter years, stable jobs and affordability still better than Toronto or Vancouver, it could be time to jump into the market. 2026 favors stable job buyers, first-timers in condos, move-up families in detached homes. So if you're ready to buy or sell in Ottawa, get in touch for a free consult. Download the guide below and like and subscribe for more tips, and let's make your move happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.